I had a meeting with or an audience with the military attaches of the different embassies in the Philippines. All of them, karamihan. China, the United States, Australia, Malaysia, Indonesia. I forgot the other guys. Puro puti. But we were talking fundamentally of security matters. And of course, our problems here in the country, the Mindanao problem, or well, not really a trouble, but we don't seem to understand each other with China in the relations vis-a-vis China Sea. But the attaché, military was there, and I explained it to him, our position very clearly. Then I went up to see the ambassador of Iran, and he wants, and I want to, both of us agreed that we should have a closer relationship with Iran, and I said that we would appreciate a strong Iranian presence in the city because Iran is a major buyer of our banana, and mainly banana. And he also raised the possibility of having a sisterhood pact with one of the port cities of Iran. And he invited me to go there to visit Iran for that. We agreed that we should have a stronger relation with Iran. And I said I appreciate that gesture. Then I signed a document here with Secretary Alcala. May food terminal na tayo. Na-delay yan kasi ang unang proposal nila, they're going to devolve the money, about 200 million noon. So but it cost us 400 ang the first 200 million. Tayo ang binigyan ng pera, tapos ako ang sabi ko ayaw ko. I do not want to get the money. If you want, build us the terminal. Parang hindi rin pala pwede. So we agreed on a joint venture. And we have to establish yung PBAC. Yung magdaan yung mga, yung procurement. Sabi ko, sige, sabay tayo. Anyway, may ano man ako dito, may procurement office man ako. And walang problema because it will be bidding all throughout. At I assure you, bidding as in bidding. Walang hausyaw dyan. And I give you my word kasi sabi ko, they wanted us to participate. Okay. But for those guys that are listening outside, mga contractor, it's bidding and you have to be qualified. Hindi ako papayag ng subcontractor. No way. Bidding na malinis, tapos for those only qualified. That is my assurance to the public.
Yung target po ng full terminal project ngayon?
Yes, I said that. Kaya lang, hindi nga ako pumayag na ibigay yung pera sa akin. Ayaw nila tanggapin, ayaw din nila gawin. Sabi ko, joint venture tayo. Part of that is really our participation sa mga bidding. And that's why I'm giving you the guarantee that it will be a bidding as in bidding. No subcontractor, no unqualified guys.
You said the August 10 deadline for the backbridge at Haran. What's your take about yung Haran Mayor ng mga ibang?
Well, I'll talk to them. There's no such thing as force. Hindi nga nadadala ng puwersa yan eh. I've been telling you, it's always dialogue. Kaya nga ito sabi ko nga, you talk to the NPAs because actually ang naglalaro dyan ng NPA. The left is you see the hands of the left everywhere. Akala, nagbibiro ako.
Are you willing to sit down again for peaceful.
No, ako pupunta doon. Alis yan, I assure you. But it would entail also some concession. For example, ayaw nila ng military. So military has to move out in the meantime that they are going to them. Because they would never go back. Nandyan yung military. So it has to be some... pero hindi that for all time. Because I would not agree to stop the military from entering any place in this republic, in our country. They have jurisdiction anywhere. But because of the conflicting ideology, pumapasok kasi ang komunista dyan, sabi ko, ano na lang tayo, hati-hati.
The UCSB bishops, mayor, and some NGOs will file tomorrow a forcible entry case against the police.
Hindi na yan. Because there was this complaint coming from Gutamco. Sabi ko, forget it. Tell them to forget it. You'll just exacerbate the situation. It's not the fault of the police. Trabaho lang nila yan. I would not. I would discourage them from doing it. You just tell them stop it. Ako na ang mag-ariglo niyan.
Nanawat na master plan mayor sa Wharf.
Sa?
Sa Wharf mayor. Wharf sa Wharf
I have to talk to them again. I don't have the time. They invited me to go there.
Mayor, naisa ka participant ka ganina sa Lakbay Aral. Apan seeing you nagbuhos yung emotion.
Unsa?
Apan seeing you kanina sa isa sa participant atong sa Lakbay Aral. Oo, nakahilak siya apan seeing you excited daw siya apan seeing you.
Nakahilak mo bugot to suya. Nahilak lang po ko. Nga naman. Kay?
Pero how do you, yung ganito ngayon, maraming mga group of different
Kay
organizations.
kay mga lakbay aral man sila. We also do that. Pero hinto ko itong there was this stupid maglakbay aral sila sa Hong Kong kaya ako nagalit. Pinutol ko sa lakbay aral sa Hong Kong buang. Gani ko katong Hong Kong. Simula na sabi ko huminto kayo.
Mayor, kumusta ng SB3? Katong gihatag nimong incentive para sa mga employees na pirmahan na nimo.
Tapos ko na pinirmahan ko na. Sige, balik-balik, ana.
Mayor, taga Bohol Cooperative.
Uy!